Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Faisal Shafi. I am a qualified accountant from ICMAP as well as Masters in Economics. Uh, I am basically an auditor, leading audit in a reputable organization. Apart from this, my introduction, I am also conducting Power BI. I have been conducted several batches of Microsoft Power BI, and now I am planning to start new batches of Power BI, and I believe that you must be interested in this. And to motivate you, I will show you that for the purpose of Power BI understanding, I have made three scenarios. First scenario is just about analysis, and actually this data pertains to athletes data, Olympics data, and second about ratio analysis. Maybe some persons not interested into ratio analysis, but actually uh, this will help out you in your this may help out you in your scenario, in your circumstances, because actual purpose is to understand the concepts of Power BI. Then third one is about sales, and sales has a biggest scope, and everyone can understand many things, and we can also make many things at this scenario due to sales. And in this sales data, you can see that I have data from Excel, CSV files, and PDF file and text files. Even I will discuss over here. I will use data from Google Sheets as well as internet based data. Uh, will also use over here. And my approach is that I have made three Power BI files, three dashboards of each scenario. It's mean that we will start from scenario one and discuss about basic, then proceed to scenario two basic, and then we will proceed to basic of scenario three. After this round, we'll again go to scenario one and then finishing, and then finishing of scenario two, and then finishing of scenario three. After finishing, we'll also discuss some additional aspects, some additional features or concepts which may be practical, and which may be additional features or additionally you must know. Or sometimes we will also see that from time to time I will use many I will use many even we can say that I will raise some difficulties, some complications, because in our actual scenario, in our practical life, life is not easy, and we must have some challenges. So I will also try to talk about this, and then we'll go to scenario one, two, three, and additional of these. And my basic focus on Power BI desktop, but we will also discuss about Power BI services as well as Power BI on mobile, how to use on your mobile. And if you have learned about Power BI desktop, then few minutes of introduction, you will understand that you can also use these techniques on services, which is you can say that internet based the Power BI, and then mobile. If I show my first Power BI dashboard. This is very simple and based on very simple, and we will see that how to change our bases, how to make relationships, how to use different dexes. I will cover as much dexes as possible because I believe that I have made use of many dexes, cross relationship and intersect and calculate and some x, etc., etc. Very and I will also use variables into dex. Then we will proceed to uh, a to a, yes. Then it will be first dashboard of actually this is not dashboard, but this is basics for dashboard. This will be used behind the dashboards. And then third scenario, this will be our third scenario, and first screen will be this, and then we will proceed to uh, round 2 and scenario 2, then round 2 of scenario 2. Here we have a dashboard, a particular dashboard, then 3, yes, then third round 2 of third scenario, and we'll see. And then we'll proceed to again scenario 1, but additions. Here we'll see the behind concepts of cross relationships particularly, and we will also discuss about troubleshooting, and then this will be additional of scenario 2, and then it will be additional of scenario 3. It is about forecasting. Actual, this is our actual number and this is our forecasting. Let's suppose if I change to this forecasting, let's suppose, so we can see that forecasting will be very easy and its results will be dynamic, obviously. And if I show, I think I have made 3C, yes, yes, yes. And also many things I will discuss over, sorry. Yes. And particularly this the scenario 3 will not only focus on sales or cost of goods sold, but we will also see how to calculate inventory, how to maintain inventory records on Power BI. And I believe that I will discuss many aspects during this entire course, which will be helpful for any person who is dealing with Power BI, who is working on Power BI. So many discussions, and I will also suggest you to raise your questions, your queries, if for the let's suppose if I my pace may be slightly fast to cover as many aspects as possible, so you can also so you can cover these after I will also share the videos so you can see these videos and then come with your questions if you could not raise any question at the same time. And after this these 3 scenarios and these 9 dashboards each scenario, because 3 files of each scenarios: basic, then finishing, and then additions. I have also 4th scenario, which will be delivered to you as assignment and into components. It will share with you again and again, and the response, if I could get response, then well and good. Otherwise, I will also, and in any case, I will also share my suggested solution of these assignments. And after these 3 scenarios as well as 4 scenario, we'll also discuss about Power Queries and Power Pivot. Although Power Query and Power Pivot is the integral part of Power BI, but the reason to discuss about it separately, because some aspects may not be covered due to scenarios. So this is my duty to share with you as much concepts as possible. So I will discuss about Power Query into more details, and then Power Pivot into more details. And I believe that by this short video must be useful and important for introduction purposes. However, if you have any question, then you can ask from me anytime. I will be happy, and I believe that you will interested in this course. I will invite you to enroll for this course. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.